A family losing their loved one after a BSO helicopter crashed into a home. Now they're seeking millions of dollars in damages. Vanessa Medina reports from Pompano Beach, where that chopper went down.
Family of Lurean Wheaton, the woman who was killed August 28th when a BSO chopper fell out of the sky and crashed into her apartment, is now suing Broward Sheriff's Office for wrongful death.
I'd make her laugh. When she laughed, oh, she'd laugh with joy. Just a sweetheart.
The law office of Gary Robb, which specializes in aviation, now represents Wheaton's family. Robb previously represented Kobe Bryant's family after a chopper crash killed the basketball star. The attorney claims the 65-year-old was asleep when the chopper crashed. Her friend was also in the apartment walking back from the restroom when he saw the chopper land on top of Wheaton, according to a release, crushing her to death. The statement goes on to say, according to this 2017 Law Enforcement Aviation Consultants report, the chopper should have been replaced years before the crash, saying the report also found 19 separate areas of deficiency within BSO's aviation unit. Going on to say BSO's poor maintenance practices of its choppers was a serious safety concern that requires immediate attention.
We're making do as best as we can.
Sheriff Tony did tell Broward County commissioners back in June the chopper was being stretched to its limit.
Fire rescue helicopter that we're utilizing has been around since 1999. We've been piecemealing parts for years to maintain the flight capability.
Robb going on to say the manufacturer's required maintenance procedures are not optional. Ignoring these procedures and grossly exceeding permitted helicopter flight hours, as BSO did, was guaranteed to lead to disaster. These are inexcusable and flagrant violations of the most basic aviation safety practices. This helicopter was unsafe, unairworthy, and never should have been in the air. The Wheaton family is asking for $50 million. Sheriff Tony did address the lawsuit briefly Wednesday.
As you can imagine, these families are hurting just like we were hurting as an organization, and I would expect them to do anything that they think is appropriate without resistance from myself or this organization.
And that was Vanessa Medina reporting for us.